Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Acura MDX alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool. Gather all your tools, including a 10mm and 12mm socket, a ratchet, and a serpentine belt tool. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery cable from your battery. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts while you work. Now, let's get ready to access the alternator. Now that you're prepared, let's remove the old alternator. Use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt. Once the tension is off, carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, you'll need to disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets. Keep track of all bolts for reinstallation. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new alternator into its designated mounting position. Reinstall all the mounting bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Next, reconnect all the electrical connectors, including the main power wire, ensuring they are firmly attached. Double-check all connections to prevent any issues later on. You're almost there. You're in the home stretch. Carefully route the serpentine belt back on all the pulleys, including the new alternator. Use your serpentine belt tool to create tension, then release it slowly. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and tighten it firmly. Before starting the engine, double-check all your connections and ensure no tools are left in the engine bay. Start the engine and check for proper charging. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.